What's up, Adventure Buddies? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Muffin. Today we are making Oreo Cream Pie for our beloved Matt because it's his birthday today. But first, let's cue the intro. You know the drills. First, let's wash our hands. For this recipe, you'll need a pack of Oreos and 2 vanilla pudding and 1 8-ounce of Cool Whip and 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1.5 cups of milk, and 1 crust for your pie. And we use Grande crust. First, we're gonna crush up 24 Oreos. Make sure you save the other 12 for later. We put ours in a plastic Ziploc bag, or you can use a bowl, and we crush them up with a spoon. And now let's crush it with a spoon. Next, we put 1.5 of milk into our bowl. Now we put our 1/4 cup of butter into our bowl. Now we put the Cool Whip in. And now let's take our vanilla pudding and our mashed Oreos and put it into the bowl. And now for our smashed Oreos. And now we take the other remaining Oreos, other 12 remaining Oreos, and we smash it all up. Now let's pour the bowl into the pie crust. Now let's sprinkle the crunched up Oreos on top. And now for the hardest part. We have to leave it in there for 4 hours. Oh, why does it have to be 4 hours? Now it's time to wash dishes. You know what that means. Don't tell Mom. And thanks for watching another episode of Cooking with Muffin. Oh, and guys, help us call Matt over here for his birthday. Hey, Matt!
What? Wait, what is this?
A birthday cake for you.
No!
Happy birthday!
Yay, my favorite! Hey guys, life's an adventure.
Who are you going on it with?